Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, traction control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.